Your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I posted a link on my Facebook page about that, and then Joe, our producer, comes over and goes, I have this to put in the show. Do you think it's cool? I'm like, yes, that is amazing. You see the waves, though? Fiona churning up the ocean and taking its aim on Bermuda for tonight and tomorrow. We had aim with rain. Look at that. Swansea, you the top spot, 2.44. North Kingstown, 2.25, and goes all the way down to Ashaway, 1.71, and Wickford, 1.7. And a lot of locations get up to around that 2-inch mark today, a soaking rain that we still do need. Skycam outside, no rain now. We started to dry things out. It's actually turned out to be a beautiful night. The cold front that's responsible for the rainfall today is going to usher in some very chilly air for this time of year for tonight, tomorrow, and Friday night. High pressure to our west will dominate our forecast, so a real quiet weather pattern setting up for Friday and the weekend. And the reason why it's quiet is not just because of the high pressure, because this frontal boundary here's Fiona. It's pretty easy to see, right? Here's the little island of Bermuda. There's the eye of the hurricane. This front's going to just push Fiona far enough east that all we get is a little rough surf and some wave action at the beaches, and we do catch a break big time. Temperatures right now in the mid to upper 50s. The drop is not complete yet. We'll continue to the 40s tonight. The wind speeds, not all that impressive so far, mainly out of the northwest, about 5 to 10 to 15 miles an hour. But by turning to the northwest, it should tell you at home that the front has moved by, and it's also ushering in some drier air. And we're going to see those winds start to increase by morning with gusts tomorrow up to about 30 miles an hour. Temperatures tonight will fall back into the mid to upper 40s, and that breeze kicking up by morning. Sunny and breezy tomorrow, very cool. Those northwest gusts of 30 miles an hour. With temperatures only in the mid to upper 50s and maybe a low 60 for westerly, will feel more like low to mid 50s in the afternoon. Southeastern Mass, sunny, breezy, and cool for you. There's those northwesterly gusts to 30, and your temperatures topping out at 57 in Attleboro, 57 in Fall River, and New Bedford right at 59. Normal high for this time of year should be in the 70s. We're not even close. So Tropical Tracker, Fiona's still a Category 4, just spinning up all those waves that you saw moments ago. There have been reports of tropical storm force winds in Bermuda tonight. Those winds will likely get stronger into the morning tomorrow. And then it takes and moves north, still a Hurricane Cat 3, all the way equivalent to the latitude of southern New England, but well to our east. And then all eyes on the Canadian Maritimes for the weekend. It may go post-tropical, but it still packs a punch with winds up to 100 miles an hour, heavy rain, and encounters some colder air that could actually make it turn over to a little snow. Tropical system snow doesn't seem like it makes sense, but that's the way it works. High surf advisory for our area for those waves and the rough seas, and also for the dangerous surf. Frontal boundary, as I mentioned, bringing in that cool, breezy conditions, taking Fiona and pushing it out to sea, wrapping it up so it goes up into the Maritimes instead of towards us. And while that happens, we enjoy beautiful weather, not just for tomorrow, but right into the weekend as well. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, picture-perfect stuff with moderating temperatures. Next chance of showers for us comes on Monday. We dry out Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Temperatures holding in the 60s for the middle of next week. Ian?
Thank you, Jeff. We continue to follow